IT admins can easily benefit from secure administration of LastPass business accounts by using our OneLogin integration to sync the OneLogin user directory with LastPass. This integration doesn't allow users to log into LastPass with their OneLogin password. LastPass users still need to create and remember a separate master password to log in. This SCIM provisioning requires an active trial or paid LastPass business account with administrative access as well as an active OneLogin subscription. To begin the setup process for LastPass using OneLogin, go to the LastPass admin console. Select Users and choose Directories. Scroll down to OneLogin. We'll need the connection URL and provisioning token. We may also want to create a new token by selecting Reset Provisioning Token. Leave this information open and go to the OneLogin admin portal. Select Administration in the top navigation menu, and then from the top toolbar, go to Applications within Applications. From here, select Add App. Search for LastPass, and once found, select it. We may choose to change the display name. After that, click Save. With the LastPass provisioning app created, select the Configuration tab in the left navigation menu. Enable the API connection by clicking Enable. Now we'll need to copy over the connection URL and provisioning token from the LastPass admin console to the SCIM base URL field and SCIM bearer token field. Save the changes once done. Now, select the Provisioning tab in the left navigation menu. Based on the needs of the organization, uncheck the box Create User, Delete User, and Update User to disable them. Then click the box to enable the Enable Provisioning setting, and then click Save. Now we've configured the LastPass provisioning app and enabled provisioning to populate LastPass users in the admin console from OneLogin. Optionally, we may choose to configure group syncing between OneLogin and LastPass. While there's no direct group-to-group sync available within OneLogin and LastPass, we can map a group folder from LastPass to OneLogin and add user and/or groups into it. The sync is not automatic, and we must manually refresh the configuration. Under the Parameters tab in the left navigation menu, go to Groups. Check the flag Include End-User Provisioning, then select Save. Now, we may want to go back to the admin console and create a group as well as add users within that group. We can also choose to go back to the OneLogin admin portal, and once there, create a group as well. Once the group is created in the OneLogin admin portal, sync the group from LastPass to OneLogin by going back to the LastPass provisioning app and then selecting the Configuration tab in the left navigation menu. Toggle the API status from Enabled to Disabled and then back to Enabled again. Now, go to the Parameters tab in the left navigation menu, and then to Groups. Under the Value drop-down menu, the groups synced from LastPass should be present. At this point, we have the option to set a default group from LastPass where users will be synced to. However, we also have the option to leave the value field unselected and configure a group for each user individually. Okay, well, that's it for setting up SCIM provisioning for LastPass Business using OneLogin. For more assistance, please see our help documentation at support.lastpass.com.